Welcome to the Sindhi Film Festival. What a historic day 11th April 2019 was. I was beaming with joy when I heard the news. For those of you who don't know, here's the news.
Board has today said that they will be dedicating a fixed slot for Sindhi on another regional channel. It will be specifically called DD Sindhi, and there will be programs aired on that. They are committed, they are saying that they're exploring this possibility. The petition has been kept after 3 months so that what they are exploring today will take material form. So at the moment, the situation is that there will be Sindhi content on a dedicated slot in another regional channel.
And this is going to be a DD Sindhi.
This is going to be called DD Sindhi, yes. This slot will be called DD Sindhi.
But now, wait, what is the matter? What is DD Sindhi channel and why do we need it? In 2007, Asha Chand, one of the founders of Sindhi Sangat, a non-profit organization, wrote letters and met with the Information and Broadcasting Ministers along with Senior Advocate Ram Jethmalani seeking a 24-hour DD Sindhi channel. As part of this, Ram Jethmalani had also filed a writ petition in the High Court of India. Now, this demand, which was being made since 2007, has now been finally realized. Now, this news definitely calls for some sort of celebration, but not yet. Like we saw, the court has said that we will be getting a few hours on another regional channel and not a full-fledged 24-hour Sindhi DD channel yet. But why do we need a DD Sindhi channel to begin with? Okay, now let's begin by stating the facts. Sindhi is a language, not a religion. Sindhi language exists in two forms, the spoken form and the written form. Sindhi language has its own script, Sindhi script, which is also called as the Perso-Arabic script. There used to be a lot of schools which had their medium of education as Sindhi. Now, over the years, gradually, most of those schools have shut down. Now, only a handful of Sindhi medium schools are left across India in different states. Now, as a result of that, only spoken Sindhi continues to thrive in spite of we being scattered throughout the country, we meaning Sindhis. Now, to make matters more difficult, Sindhis do not have a sponsor state. Sponsor state basically means where a particular lingual community stays in concentrated population, in majority population. For example, a lot of Punjabi speaking people can be found in Punjab. Bengal has a large number of Bengali speaking people. Gujarat has a large number of Gujarati speaking people. In a similar vein, there is no state where a large number of Sindhi speaking people can be found. Now, to help the Sindhi culture from disappearing and Sindhi language from dying, Sindhi youth has resorted to digital media to make content in various forms. To name a few Sindhi YouTubers who've been trying their best to save the Sindhi language, Dirven Hazari from Sindhyonism, Bhavesh Valecha from Doing Anything, Bhavna Rajpal from the Sindhi Girl and Sindhi Film Festival have been making accessible content not only for Sindhis in India but for Sindhis across the world. There are Sindhi channels which exist in different states of India. However, this DD Sindhi channel will bring all Sindhis together because it will serve as a national platform where a Sindhi in Bombay will be watching the same content as a Sindhi sitting in Ahmedabad. Now, with the points that we discussed, it becomes all the more clear why a DD Sindhi channel holds such a lot of importance, especially for the Sindhis of India. As the director of the Sindhi Film Festival, who has screened Sindhi films in London, in Paris, in Lebanon, I still find it difficult to screen Sindhi films in India because there's no platform for it. Now, with this DD Sindhi channel coming into existence, I feel a renewed hope for Sindhi cinema, and I am really thankful to the government of India for making this happen. I, for one, am definitely very excited about the prospect of a DD Sindhi channel coming into existence, even if for just a few hours. Now, this has taken a lot of hard work, it has taken a lot of time to come through, but I'm really very happy that finally this has happened. Now that we know that a DD Sindhi channel is coming, I think the onus is not just on the government of India but also on the Sindhi community of India to make this few hours arrangement of DD Sindhi channel on another regional channel into a full-fledged 24 hours DD Sindhi channel. Now, I have a lot more questions about this. I don't have clarity on what kind of content will be coming up, but I, for one, am looking forward to see what will come up. I will be meeting Asha Chand to discuss more about this, and I'll be taking an interview with her in Sindhi language. So if you have any comments, any questions, please do leave us in the comment section below, and I will try to get as many as possible answered for you guys. I think this was a lovely new year. I mean, Cheti Chand 2019 brought such a fantastic gift from the government of India. Thank you to everybody who made this possible. Now, I guess the best we can do is wait and watch. I mean, literally and figuratively, to wait and watch what kind of content comes up on the DD Sindhi channel arrangement that will be made on another regional channel, but to also make sure whatever content does come up, we watch it so much so that the TRP ratings go high enough for us to get a full-fledged DD Sindhi channel.
Are you happy with today's outcome of this judgment?
It is a big step forward, and I think that once this DD Sindhi slot starts getting viewership and starts becoming a success, the next step will be to get a full-fledged 24-hour Doordarshan Sindhi program.
So what do you advise people? What to do? How do we really put pressure?
There's no question of putting pressure. I think the government is very sympathetic. They realize that Sindhi language is a recognized script. Other regional languages have been given DD channel. And it's about time they realize that even the Sindhis, even though they are scattered and maybe all over the country and only 26 lakhs, they realize that there's a strong need to fulfill the cultural aspirations of the Sindhi people.
I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'm super excited about DD Sindhi. #Asanjo DD Sindhi. Bye guys. Jai Jhulelal.